Welcome to Southwest Florida Scale Model Builder. My name is Jim. Let's get building!
Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Jim from Southwest Florida Scale Model Builders. Today I'm going to be unboxing my next build. My 56 Chevy is done. I will be revealing that in the next couple days. And I'd like to get started on the unboxing of this one. This will be for the group build, Glory Days of Drag Racing. Held by Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella and Joe at Big Sky Models. And with that, I'm going to bring you down. We'll open this AMT 70.5 Camaro. And I'll look at the car and then I'll explain what I'm going to be doing to it. Okay? There's a picture here of a Pro Stock Camaro from the 70s. Barry Setzer. Barry Setzer was one of my favorite racers back when I was a kid. And I thought he had the most beautiful funny cars there ever was. And his Pro Stock's just the same. Alright, so I'm going to bring it to the overhead and we'll unbox. Here we go. Alright, I'm going to be using the AMT 70.5 Camaro. For this group build. I'm getting a little late into the group build, but got plenty of time. Let me get the cellophane off of this. All right, this is a Z28 version. It's got over 100 parts, it says in it, 1/25 scale. Looks like a nice kit. It's always one of my favorite body styles. Oh, it's molded in orange. The chrome tree, there's the body, there's the glass. I won't be opening that. Some nice little wide little tires, and a couple more bags. Wow, small instruction sheet. Let me start with the decals, see what they offer you. Okay. You get 2 sets of hood stripes, black and white. That's nice. And some gauges, Z28 emblems. What's the little ones? Oh, it says Rally Sport. Air cleaner decal, another Z28 emblem, and license plates. That's nice. I won't be using any of them. Alright, let's open up the first bag. Let me move these over. First bag has radiator support. There's the engine block, battery, some other master cylinder, dashboard, firewall, some other engine parts. Standard stuff. Here's a rear differential, steering wheel, exhaust, front end. Here's the interior back seat. That's nice. It doesn't have a back seat if you don't need it, so I won't be putting it in. Separate door panels. I really enjoy that. Let's open up the next bag. Front end, console, hood. Hood's nice, not too thick. I like that. I do, as you can see here, this scoop, I have that scoop coming, so that'll be going on the hood here. I'll be cutting the hood out. Rear diff again. I'll be putting a Ford 9-inch rear in it. We'll be using leaf springs. These cars were leaf spring cars. There's the back panel. Almost looks like a Corvette. Front spoiler. Top of the front. There's the front suspension. There's the seats, the rally wheels, some front end work. Interesting. Not much on the chrome tree. Wow. You get a rear bumper, grille, shifter, and the two little Nerfs front bumpers. That's it, in chrome. Not even any valve covers or anything. Wow. Let me open the tires. These are nice. No markings on them. Just nice wide oval treads. All right. Well, that's not good. So, my body is actually broken. Wow. See that? I'm not sure if I can use this now. That's the first body I ever had come through like that. That's terrible. Let's see if you can see that. There we go. Look at how that body came out of the box. That's unusable. That's really disappointing. Has a lot of flash on it anyway, which is no big deal, just work, but wow. All right, well, this may not be my next build, because I'm going to have to buy another kit. I did have big plans for it, as you can see here. I've got an engine ordered for it. I've got the wheels and tires ordered for it. Well, what I'm going to be doing with this is using it for a mule. And I can do a lot of the build work on it to get it started when I do get another one. From Innovative Slots. They're out of Indianapolis, Indiana. I got this set of decals. It came with 2 cards. As you can see, Barry Setzer. And they're for his Vega funny car. Also for the Camaro Pro Stock and the Vega Pro Stock. So you have enough decals here to do all 3 cars. And I like that they give you where they go. Paint on this is Candy Apple Red. This one I will not be doing in acrylics because I have a Tropical Glitz Candy Apple Red, so it'll be done in lacquers. I may put a acrylic clear on it. We'll see. But now this build is going to be on hold until I get one of these back in again. And with that, I'm going to end this video on a sad note. That's really disturbing. I've never had a kid come through like that. Did not happen in the box, that's for sure. I think this happened during the mold process. It's unrepairable. It's just not worth trying to repair. All right. I hope everybody's having a nice Memorial Day. And be safe. And thank God for everybody that has ever served. And with that, I'm going to say peace, take care, happy modeling, and stay tuned for the next update when I do get another kit in. Adios.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.
They forgot about the time when they were young, about the things they did and the songs they sung. But now we got something both young and old, mama. That's rock and roll. Oh, rock it now, yeah.